Okay guys, so from the title, you know I'm about to lay this wig, and I'm going to be laying it using the hair diagram Bold Hold MAXX. This is her newest glue, and I finally found out the owner's name. It's Tamika. And she does have a YouTube channel. I will list it down below in the description box. Go make sure you subscribe and support, because she's doing great things. That's all I'm going to say. She's doing great things for us wig wearers, you know, us people out here that need to have our edges laid when we are wearing our frontals and closures. This is obviously not for your natural hair. This is for your lace. Anyway, let's get into this video. So I've been doing things a little bit differently when it comes to applying my wigs. And number one, I sew down my wig caps. Before, I was just spraying them down with the Got To Be Glued Free spray. But what would happen is, throughout the week, like if I was sweaty, my wig would not move, but the wig cap underneath would. And that was just very uncomfortable. So now I just sew them down so they can't move. And then second, if you notice, I have a nozzle on my Bold Hold MAXX now. Before, I was using a brush. But the hair diagram offers these nozzles, which makes application so much easier. Let me tell you. I'm going to show you, of course, too. But oh my god, so much easier to apply this stuff because it's so sticky. But with the nozzle, you don't have to worry about that. And if you want to know where this hair is from, I just posted the video. This is the Beauty Forever Super Wave hair, and this closure that I'm showing you, this bomb ass closure, is from Barry's Hair Company, and both of these companies are on AliExpress. And the Barry's hair closure is their 7x7 transparent lace loose wave closure, and it matches perfectly with this Beauty Forever hair. Alright, so onto the application. You guys saw that I already cleaned off my forehead with the alcohol, and now I'm going in with the glue. Do you see how easy that is? You just squeeze it on and spread it out with a popsicle stick. Like, it's so easy. So much easier. Can I please tell you, I was having a lot of issues applying my wigs. Like, it would get messy because of that brush, but now the mess is gone because of the nozzle. And another thing I have been doing differently is I'm letting this glue set a lot longer than I did in my first video. So before, I think I was saying I let it set for like 1 to 2 minutes. I set it for a good 4 now. And then to make it super like not going nowhere, 100% guaranteed, I spray on that Got To Be Glued Free spray. And once again, let it get tacky for a good 4 minutes and then lay my wig down. Now, I only let my wig stay on my head for about a week, but at the end of the week, my wig is still not going anywhere. The sides aren't even popping up. And I do not have an office job. Like, my job can be high impact some days, so I will be sweating, I will be moving around, and the last thing I need to worry about is my wig shifting. And I don't have to do that. With this combination, it's like concrete. No jokes. So if you do have an office job and you lay your wig like this, your wig is going to stay on for a good 3 weeks, guaranteed. So here I'm just showing you how I press the lace down onto that glue, because like I said, I let it set for a good 4 minutes, and then I'm going to go in with my hair dryer to make it dry fully. And then I'm just working in small sections, avoiding my hairline. I know someone said in my last video that I was putting this on my edges. 100% no, I am not putting this on my edges because I like my edges and I want to keep my edges. So I am making sure that I am applying it just in front of my edges. And then once again, I'm going to be going in with that Got To Be Glued Free spray and placing it on top of the glue. Now, of course, to make it dry quicker, you can use your hair dryer, but I just was using this paper plate because I don't know why. You'll see me use my hair dryer later. I don't know why I just didn't use that initially, but it's whatever. When you're using your hair dryer, I like to use mine on the cool setting, and then when I put my lace down, I put put my hair dryer on the warm setting to get the lace to melt. And I was getting ready for work this day, so I wasn't able to tie my edges down, but the lace still melted beautifully. Now if I had tied my edges down, it would be seamless. I mean, I still think it looks pretty good. It wasn't perfect, but considering that, you know, I was in a rush, it still looked really, really good. So the struggle that I'm still dealing with when applying my wigs is that sometimes I put the glue in front of the lace and then the baby hair will get stuck in it. So I do try to take my time when I'm applying my wigs, but you know, sometimes life just doesn't give you the time. So I know you can see some of that glue in front of the lace. So I am going to try to go in with the alcohol and clean that up. So when you are laying your lace, just make sure you do not apply your adhesive in front of the lace, because then, like I said, all your baby hair is going to get stuck in it and it's not going to look cute. So what I'm doing here is cutting some sideburns into the closures and the wefts. Because this is not a frontal, I do have a little bit of my natural edges showing on the sides near my ear. So what I like to do is just cut a few layers into those edges and then apply my Jane Carter wrap and style mousse to get them to lay down. And that way, so when the wind blows, or if I want to put my hair behind my ear, I'll be able to do that without showing too much of my natural hair, and you won't be able to see any kind of difference in texture. So this is what the wig looks like after I have let the glue set. It's completely dry. This wig is not going anywhere. I did bring the glue out a little bit too far on this side, so that's why I kind of have like a little bit of crunchiness right there, but I'll clean that up later. I have to go to work right now. Anyway, best glue ever. Best glue ever. And by this time, the nozzle should be available on the website. I'll leave the links to this glue, to the Bold Hold site, down below in the description box if you want to get your hands on this. Love this stuff. So much better than any other wig glue I have tried. And if we're going to be comparing the Bold Hold Active to this one I like more because the dry time is a lot less than the Bold Hold Active. And this comes out clear, so you don't have to worry about any kind of white cast. Anyway, yeah, details for this hair will be listed down below in the description box. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. Share this video because sharing is caring, and click on some of these videos right here. Support your girl, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!